everybody. So I just got home, been running around all day trying to find some plug wires for this thing. I'd ordered some offline the other day. When they came in, they sent me the wrong ones, or I guess I ordered the wrong ones. I was trying to find something like this with a couple straight end boots on them. The ones they sent me was all 90s, but I found these earlier. And the main reason I wanted a couple with a straight plug is because on number 5 here, the wire done popped off. But let's see if I can get it back on there real quick, just to give you an idea what I'm talking about. But yeah, anyway, with it on there, as you can see, it's pretty close to a head or two. It wouldn't take long. That one would be burnt up again. Try to get this thing finished up today. That way a guy can come get it and drive it around and enjoy it.
Baby.
Got my little man here. He's gonna help me, ain't you, buddy? That's right. Oh man, I hate putting wires on these super coils like this. They're pain in the butt. Let me get I might have to get a screwdriver and take the top off of it.
Daddy, can I have a screwdriver? Work then?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to find one a little bit shorter though. Let's see if I can find a shorter one, okay?
Okay. Dad. Drop something. Are you trying to
Too daggone aggravating trying to pop them all on there with this top of this coil on.
trying to drop it.
What you doing, boy?
Fixing your truck. I was taking some stones out of my hand. What you doing? I'm trying to. Here.
I don't need that, buddy.
Why?
No, you don't.
I found it.
All right, let's see. 1, 8, 4. These plug wires are long as a mother. Got them all on there. They're all stupid long, but one good thing about them being real long like that is I can run them the way I need to get them away from the headers. On this side, I made me some zip tie wire separators and just tied them up right there. I just tied them up right there so they can't come loose. Number 6, it's real long too, so I just looped it around right there. They ain't pretty, but they won't be laying on the headers, and that's the main thing. So now I just need to get a header bolt for that right there, and then tighten that one up, and that'll be pretty much it. I guess I should have grabbed the socket. I love them hard to get to, mother freakers. We made it back to the house. Truck's running good and all. I thought we was done with this thing, but as soon as I hit the brake to turn into the driveway, this caliper over here locked up. So now it's pulling to the left really hard. I don't know if maybe the line collapsed or if it's the caliper itself. I'm gonna have to pull this wheel off. Oh man, I thought I was done with this thing, but it looks like more work to come. Yeah, if you watched the other videos, you remember me saying these brakes was very touchy. So I kind of figured there might be something up with the calipers. I forgot all about it until just now, driving it down the road. But if it ain't one thing, it's another. I thought I was gonna be done with this thing and it'd be going home. But it looks like now I'm gonna be pulling that wheel off and maybe replacing the calipers or the lines. It's probably the caliper. But I'm gonna end this one off here anyhow, and I'll see y'all in the next one later. Yeah, that line right there looks mighty rough.